Namaste everyone. Today I will teach how to do Hanumanasana, monkey pose. Okay, now we start. Good. First of all, we start butterfly here. Both feet joints together. Hold your feet, spine should be straight. Okay, start butterfly slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, and 1. Good. Okay, say your legs first. Okay, now we take 2 blocks. Good. On parallel position here, and then go to the downward facing dog. Spine straight. Good. Stay here. 6. Open your shoulder. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now right leg raise. Lift your right leg. Slowly take inhale. Stay here. Knee straight. Good. Open shoulder. Breathing normal. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly exhale. Same push. Okay, now we use 1 block on your left knee here. Yes, and then flat. Good. Right leg on 90 degrees. Slowly hip your legs here. Then raise your hand. Take inhale. Stay here. Breathing normal. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, both hands down. Exhale. 1. Okay, now here, slowly. Elbow on your back. Look front. Good. Breathing normal here. And relax your hip slowly. 6. We stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, and 1. Good. Okay, now take out your block on the left knee. Good. Now we will start jog. Left knee straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, last 10. Good. Again, slowly. Elbow bend, left knee straight. Breathing normal here. 6, 5, 4, 3, spine straight. 2, okay, and 1. Then slowly come back. Okay, now we will use block again. Good. Put your right foot on that block. Same here. Good. Slowly relax. Hip flat your left feet. Elbow bend again and relax. Breathing normal. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now slowly lift your right hand. Take inhale. Stay here. 6, 5. Look on your right palm. Good. 4, 3, 2, okay, and then last 1. Then slowly come back again here. Good. Now same position here. Good. Right palm on the right knee. Slowly take inhale. Good. Slowly try to open your head and look back. Then exhale. Right knee straight. Try touching forehead. Take inhale. Exhale. Take inhale. We do 1 to 6 times. Exhale. Inhale. Good. 4 times already. Exhale. 1 time. 1 more. Inhale. stay here. Now we're good, breathing normal. Flat your feet, not do feet here like this, okay? You must be flat your feet like this. Good, and relax. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly exhale. Right feet should be straight. 6, try touching forehead, breathing normal. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, relax. Okay, again. We use here, both block here. Good. First with right leg, right this way. Good. Slowly try upper leg here. Good. Your shoulder also be relaxed. Good. Come down. This position here. Good. Spine should be straight. And then left way. Look up. Stay here. Your thigh, both thighs relax and try to open hip. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, and 1. Good. Slowly come back. Again here. Good. Right feet between your both palm and then use your block here. Again, put your both palm here. Then slowly. Good. Try to open leg straight. Slowly. This is called Hanumanasana, monkey pose. Good, and must your left knee straight and left feet flat. That's good. Okay, spine straight here. Good. And then flat your feet. Raise your hand. Take inhale. Good. And relax. We can also interlock finger. Open shoulder. Stay here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, then last 1. Exhale. Okay, now slowly relax. Bend your right knee, then forward bend. Slowly head. Stay same here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, and 1. That's good. Then again slowly your both block front, then chukchan, both feet together. Spine straight, one back. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, and 1. Now same we do left side. Okay, raise your left leg. Take inhale and relax. Stay here. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, then last 1. Slowly exhale. Okay, we must again put your block on your left knee here. Good, flat feet. Then relax. Raise hand. Slowly take inhale. Stay here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, then slowly hands down. Exhale. Touch. Good, guys. Now again, bend your both elbows here. Relax your hip, your thighs. Good, and feel comfortable. Okay, then flat your left feet, not low like this. Okay, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, then last 1. Good. Now we can take out block outside. Good. Same again position here. Bend your knee. Look front and relax. Good. 6, 5, 4, 3. Good. Breathing normal. Good. 2. Okay, and then last 1. Okay, come back. We put you again block. Yes, left feet on your block here. Good. Then right knee on the mat. Flat your feet. Then slowly feel comfortable. Open your band again. Look front. Look forward and relax. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, and 1. Okay, then slowly lift your right hand, stay here, left hand. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, and then last 1. Excellent. Good. Now take out your board here. Awesome. Now same position. Your left knee 90 degree, left one on the left knee. Slowly take inhale. Okay, exhale. Left knee straight, right touch knee forehead. Take inhale, we do again 1 to 6 times here. Good. Exhale, thousand up. Inhale. Exhale. 3 times more. Inhale. Good. Exhale. Take inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. Now we stay here. Good. Look back. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Good. Try touching forehead. Slowly head down. 6. Try to left knee straight. Good. 5. Stretch your thigh here. 4, 3, 2. Okay, and 1. Good. Now we take blocks again. Good. And then spread your left leg. Slowly relax. Good. Okay. Take out your block here. Good. Slowly look up. Stay here. Breathing normal. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, and then last 1. Come back. Left feet between your both palms and take your block again. Now we do Hanumanasana. Okay, good. First left knee straight, then slowly spine straight, one up. Right knee straight also. Relax. Good. Okay, raise your hand. Take inhale and relax. Good. 6, 5, 4. Breathing normal. Relax your leg. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly exhale. Good. Okay, come back. Sit. Bend your left knee here. Good. Forward bend. Now 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, and 1. Good. Now go to the gentle pose here. Bend your knees. Relax. Slowly breathing. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Slowly take inhale. Raise your hand. Exhale. Relax. Thanks for watching. Namaste.